What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do a little sound clip comparison of C8 Corvettes. Got my buddy Mick here, good to see you. Paul as well.
What's up guys?
We're going to be using my car because it has a stock exhaust as a baseline, but we also have Mick's car right here. He's got the Fabspeed exhaust, so that's a catback system with an X pipe. And then we have Paul's car over here with the Soul Performance high flow cats. Now there are a lot of people that like to make their car a little bit louder, especially the C8. They say that the interior volume of the exhaust is a little bit muted, so there are a lot of companies making aftermarket parts for this. You can either go headers, the high flow cats like Paul has, or you can go a catback system with an X pipe like Mick has, or you can do a combination of all three. But I figured this would be a good video just to hear the differences, you know, versus my stock car. Now my car is stock, so you know I'm really not going to say too much about it. These two are the ones that have all the aftermarket parts, so we'll let Paul go ahead and explain. We've already kind of talked about what we thought, and I agree with him 100%.
So what I'm seeing from the Soul Performance cats is an exaggerated volume of what you hear in the NPP system. It kind of has that fluctuating sound left to right, with the exhaust coming out almost a little more open, a little louder, almost like a sloppy cam kind of sound. Where the X-Pipe, because the exhaust is crossing over, it has a much more solid sound, more like a more European sound. It's a little deeper and lower and has more bass to it, but it doesn't have that left and right variance. When you stand behind the car and you listen, it has a more even flow. So if you're looking for more of that even flow, solid sound, catback system will do that for you. With the high flow cats, it's giving you just a lot more raw, raspy volume. It's kind of loose sounding and similar to the stock, except for way more exaggerated. If you wanted a combination of the two, I'm almost curious what it would sound like, and I may make this move down the road, but I know they have valve versions of the system that Mick has on his car from Fabspeed. So that would probably give you both things, volume and the smooth sound.
Yeah, I agree. I think this video is actually really good because I think there are a lot of people out there that just go the full route. They'll do the headers, the cats, and the exhaust. And then, you know, people hear their car and they're just always wondering, well, maybe I wouldn't want it quite that loud. I wonder what it sounds like with just some of these individual parts. So, you know, I think this video is actually, you know, might be very helpful for people.
And also, that's one other thing I didn't mention was that the cats is louder than the catback system, but it's definitely looser and has a little bit more of an open sound, an open exhaust sound. So it depends on what you're looking for. But if you want pure volume and you're not worried about tightening up the sound at all, then the Cats is the way to go. If you want a more refined sound and a deeper bassy sound, then the catback is on its own is the way to go.
I personally like black. You can't go wrong with black. Black is always the best.
We all know that everyone likes the blue better. So, but,
Yeah,
but anyway.
silver bullet's always the quickest though. So yeah.
But anyway, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're checking in for the first time, please subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.